Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed brakes on a Subaru Legacy. First, gather your tools: a 12mm wrench, a clear hose, a collection bottle, and fresh DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. Make sure your brake fluid reservoir is completely full. You'll want to keep an eye on this throughout the process to prevent air from entering the system. Now, let's get ready to access those bleeder valves on each wheel caliper. We'll begin with the passenger side rear wheel, typically the furthest from the master cylinder. Attach your clear hose to the bleeder valve, submerging the end in fresh brake fluid. Have a helper pump the brake pedal 3 to 5 times, then hold it down firmly. While the pedal is held, quickly open the bleeder valve for about 2 seconds, then close it before the pedal hits the floor. Repeat this until no air bubbles appear. After the passenger rear, move to the driver side rear, then the passenger front, and finally the driver side front wheel. Remember to constantly monitor the brake fluid level in the reservoir, adding more as needed. Once all 4 wheels are bled, check the brake pedal for a firm, consistent feel. If it feels spongy, you might need to re-bleed. Finally, top off the brake fluid reservoir to the maximum fill line. A crucial tip is to always use new, clean brake fluid. Never reuse old fluid, as it can introduce contaminants. If you're working alone, a pressure bleeder can make the job much easier and more efficient. Also, for those who love to read, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. After bleeding, take your Subaru Legacy for a careful test drive in a safe area to ensure proper brake function before normal driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.